Hot util a shoe. Attile shoe add body and durability and value to your home. Follow the steps to till your shoe will be yourself. The article covers the basic steps needed to properly prepare a leak-proof shoe. If you are tilling a shoe for the first time, consult with a general contractor before starting the job. Preparing the shoe for till. Get shoe installed on tout stu. You may need to remove the shoe pan on sailing, avel. If you have the chance to introduce a new shoe pan into the shoe area, try to set down a piece of flashing or plastic underneath the shoe pan so that any moisture that travel underneath the shoe pan de un mingle with wood and retro. Use a vapor barrier to install and introduce according to manufacturer direction. If you fail to install a vapor barrier, you might grow mold and mild a moisture from your shoe escape through tills and towel. Contrary to popular opinion, till en gros quand allow water vapor to pass into the space bain. When installing a vapor barrier on an exterior wall, it may be helpful to set the plastic vapor barrier to the bottom of the shoe pan buno all the way up to the top of the ceiling. With insulation improperly installed, or in colder climate, t'auras chance ta condensation ta forme blunt vapor barrier will cause the framing member to row. In order to avoid ta possibility, install the vapor barrier with space to spare so that the blunt vapor barrier cambreat. Vedi boire à noter option some consider even bet étant ses memboire. If you use a membrane barrier su chatrugar orkerdi, you can install plain old drywall. Puis pasture di ses memboire backer. Putin up ses memboire I just like putin up drywall. You it tofi, antennes create tout stu. Leave a 8 ga between panel antenne a very small space between the shoe pan and the bottom of the backer so that the two don't be rubbing to jete. Use also to cut hollow earth shoe and the wood comme trug. Make the cement boar flush with the tip of your shoe pan by using shim blunt boar to bring it out to the desired thickness. Use 100% silicone coat to set siam between the panel. If using crown molding near the ceiling, lead on 12 to 18 inch, 30.5 to 45.7 cm, of drywall instead of cement board. Na use to fix the crown molding in place will not travel through cement backer, you'll need to use moisture resistant drywall su chagrin board in order to take the nail en fit molding. Fit en edge with spackle earth backer board meet wall board. If the raga between the backer board and the wall board, you'll want to spackle antenne fitted gap so that it apron continue back. Imprimer onto en spackle wish you intend to till. After you've fitted the edge to remove the gap, apply a high quality exterior prime over the fit red wall board en backer. You on jet good adhesion if you apply un set mortar over spackle. Laying to till. Mark your till layout substrate en mark out your first course carefully. If your shoe enclosure wall are no perfectly square, or if you plan to install accent till, the layout of the steel become incredibly important. Measure up from the bottom of the backer board to head of a till minus 1 2. T will give you a 2 overlap over the till on your shoe pan. Mark T with a sharpie en using a level, transfer the mark across the shoe stall. T will baggy the for the top of the first row so that all till will be level. A note way to plan out the first row of till to measure tig par an lo par of the shoe pan. Make the low spot a full till, mark it, antenne cut tills on the exceed down to the level of ton cut till on the low side. Keeping gruelin away from the corner of ton closure can prevent need for tiny tills en por gros joint. Plan accordingly. Mix en out and set for the bottom row. You want your tin set to be the consistency of panu buté, not hot it will dry out on not hot or you lave artim setting at mortar with struntant cleaning. Use en electric dry en orge to mix your tin set mortar. T will ensure even consistency en ultimately abet product. Dampen te cement board with a sponge before applying at mortar. If you don't know, the cement board will draw the moisture out of the tin set to quickly, Making for abrite le set taille susceptible to cracking. Troel somme tin set on tote back of te tilance preadit uitanot chez troel. Ti process i calback butrigne, en usually more effective entre lignat mortar direct lion tote backer boar antenne set ignat tils on top of ta. I allo clianeto. Besur no to applito much mortar toute back of atil. Atteint, even leye or mortari best. Moris un necessary limerie wenit comme tout un set. Set te first tilint middle of the wall, or floor. Ti will crête appliquant visual effectant allo et il taille placed buzzid ton ITC de CM sans trade. Afte back butrigne, simpli prest tilon tot backer boaran appli pressure to mac sur tate mortar aderet properly to bot tilant backer boar. Oui power I excest un set mortar afte pressigne tilon tot backer. Al to giulb grouting en colking between til, I best no to live en it un set on nosing out from the side of til. Simply oui power excest un set with your finger or acutip. Use small shimorote spacer to allo a small amount of space between the bottom of the til and the lip of the shoepan. Small piece of cardboard vorgrea a make shift shim. After mortary set. You can simply remove the shim and coke between the lip of the pan and the bottom of the til. Continue laying at the til, making sure to use spacer in between til. Spacer will leave you identifiable groove between til. Small un 16 or un 8 spacer, or even big cambe placed à several places on the x en y axis of the til to leave adequate space for an even groove. Repeat procedure. Setting arrow of til on top of the last row of til. Continue until you reach at top of the choestal. Measure up from top of the last row. Mark the line with a level guide for your next row. Spray at un set on to your til with venot shed roel en place til just below marked line. Use spacer à la round. Let til set for 48 tours. Ti will make sur tate mortar a adoret properly to bot til backing ante seman boar backer. Finishing up the job. Grout til. Mix up a batch of grou. Likely wet tarea yulb grouting with a dans spongeant a bit of grou onto tarea. Use a rubber flat to smooth titin tot joint, attacking et jointa à diagonal angle. After 30-40 minutes, check the direction on te bag of grou. You want to whip excess grou with a dans spongeant à circular motion. Keep whipping with a clean sponge until totally clear. Let grou cure for approximately 3 days before selling. 10. Selt grou. Run at un bit of liquid grou or aerosol grou sealant tot grou line en whip away. Let dry and test water resistance be dropping water on tot sealant grou. Correctly sealant grou will cause the water to be dumped on top of it. Coke en inheaded area. You coke, remember to pult coke no relatively quickly across the joint. Most amateur coke to solo en up dropping to much coke don on te joint. Otetigna to remember. Keep the tip angled a you run to be dalon te joint. Match the speed with wish you pult coke trigger with the rata wish you pult dalon te joint. You don't want to be pulling at the fast but triggering slowly, or vice versa. After applying a bit of coke, bed it be running a finger across the bed with light pressure.